Hello students, good morning to all. I hope all are fit and fine. You be stay home and stay safe. Let's start. So today we are starting a new chapter in math, that is perimeter and area. So in last year's class, in 6th class, you have studied about perimeter and area. What is perimeter, what is area, and how to find out perimeter and area. About this we have studied in 6th class. So in 7th class first we will revise, okay, and we will know different methods of finding perimeter and area of different shapes, okay. So you are seeing two figures. So one is, this one is what? Rectangle, and another one is your square. So let's see what is perimeter. So perimeter is distance around closed figure. So it is the distance around closed figure. So here you are seeing this figure, this rectangle has perimeter AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So this surrounding if you will add, then what you will get? This is perimeter. Here you will see the perimeter of square. How will you find out this perimeter of this figure? PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. So this is the distance around the closed figure. Only we are finding distance surrounding around the closed figure. Then you will see what is area. Area is the part of plane or region occupied by the closed figure. So this total is a plane. Okay, here we have one figure. This is ABCD, another figure PQRS. So area of ABCD is what? This portion is the area. Okay, so these are area which is occupied by ABCD. Here area is this internal regions, all the internal regions. These are the area of PQRS. So we have seen different method, like in perimeter of square is what? Alright, perimeter of square we have studied that equal to side into side. Then perimeter of rectangle, what we have learnt? We had learnt that 2 whole L plus B means 2 whole length plus breadth. Then what about area? How we had found out area? In last class, area we have found out by finding square units. Okay, so we used to divide this portion into different squares unit, and how much square unit we have found, we used to count down. Okay, so here how many square units are there? You can count and you can write in square units. Like that we had studied in last class, means in 6th class, about perimeter and area. So let's find out perimeters and area. So this is what? Squares and rectangles. Here one example is given. Ayush and Diksha made pictures. Ayush made his picture on a rectangular sheet of length 60 cm and breadth 20 cm, while Diksha made hers on 35 on a rectangular sheet of length 40 cm and breadth 35 cm. Both these pictures have to be separately framed and laminated. So here those terms are given. You are knowing about framing and lamination. Okay, when picture is framed means you are covering the outside of the picture. Okay, here you used to frame like this. But laminated means you are covering the inside portion. Okay, so it used to framed and laminated. Who has to pay more for framing if the cost of framing is rupees 3 per centimeter? Okay, who has to cost more? If the cost of lamination is rupees 2 per centimeter square, who has to pay more for lamination? So what you will do? Okay, so what you will do? You have to find out for framing you need the outside structure. Okay, so what you will do for framing? What you will do? For the cost of framing, for cost of framing, what we'll need? Cost of framing is rupees 3 per centimeter square. So for cost of framing we need what? Framing is what? The outside portion. Okay, means the surrounding. So the distance around closed figure, that is what we need, perimeter. So for cost of framing we need the perimeter. So we need to find perimeter. Okay, so after finding perimeter, we will multiply. Then next we will do what? Multiply with the cost. Multiply it with the rate of framing. So you can find it. Okay, so look at here. So perimeter is means Diksha has made how much? Sorry, first we will find Ayush. Ayush picture frame is how much? Ayush means a rectangular sheet is how much? 60 centimeter and length and 20 centimeter breadth. So you can write down perimeter of frame, rectangular frame of Ayush equal to how much? So perimeter of rectangle is how much? 2 whole L plus B, 2 whole length plus breadth. So you can write it, 2 whole length is how much? 60 centimeter and breadth is how much? 20 centimeter. Okay, so how much? 2 into 80 centimeter is equal to how much? 160 centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit at the end. Okay, so now you will find the cost. How you can find the cost? Cost of framing. This is for Ayush. Okay, cost of framing is how much? How much you got? 160 centimeter. So 160 into per framing cost is how much? Rupees 3 per centimeter. So you can write down 160 into rupees 3. Okay, so how much? 480 rupees. Okay, let's see for Diksha. So Diksha has how much? Rectangular sheet is 40 cm length and 35 cm breadth. So for Diksha, okay, for Diksha, perimeter of rectangular frame we'll write the same 2 whole L plus B. Okay, equal to 2 whole 40 plus 35 centimeter equal to 2 into 75 centimeter equal to 5 2 ja 10, 7 2 ja 14, 15 centimeter. So look, after that how will find the cost? Cost of framing equal to that perimeter 150 into rupees 3. Okay, so what you will find? 450 rupees. So for Ayush that is 480, and for what? For your Diksha it is 450 rupees. So who cost of framing has more? Who has more cost of framing? That our Ayush has 2 pay more for framing. That is how much rupees? Rupees 480. So here you look, who has more perimeter, that has to pay more. So Ayush has 160 centimeter and Diksha has 150 centimeter. That's why Ayush has to pay more. So another question is if the cost of lamination is rupees 2 per cm square, who has to pay more for lamination? So for lamination what we need? We need the area. Okay, because lamination will cover the region occupied by this closed figure. Okay, this region, inside region lamination need. So for lamination what we will do? We will find out the area whose area is more, that need to pay more for lamination. Okay. Next we'll move to try this. Look at here. In try this, number 1 question is first is what it is written. What would you need to find area perimeter to answer the following? Okay, what you need for finding area and or perimeter? Okay, so number 1 is how much space does a blackboard occupy? So how much space a blackboard occupy? If this is a blackboard, okay, so this is the blackboard. How much place this occupy? Occupy means this is a space and here this is occupying this much space. So what you need? You need to find area or perimeter. Here you are needing area. So here it is asking about space. Okay, so this is about area. So what you need here? You can write it here. You need area. Okay, next is for this one. Next is what is the length of a wire required to fence a rectangular flower bed? Okay, if this is a rectangular flower bed, okay, you need to fence with the wire. Fencing means what? जोटा तमे जाली दौच. ओके, वायर होची तमरो जाली आ फेंसिंग मीन्स जो बाड़ दौच. बाड़ तमे कहूच जो घरे बाड़ दियो जो तुमर जो कौन कहते गछ लगे था चारिपटे बाड़ दियो लाइक दैट तुम ता चारिपटे बाड़ दब कौन वायर वायर मीन्स तुमर तार जाली ओके सो इफ यू आर फेंसिंग विथ वायर मीन्स यू विल सराउंड दिस एरिया विथ वायर ओके सो दिस region okay so length you have to find the length of a wire so length wire will go like this then turn then come then turn then come to this area so you will to find out the length of the surrounding area or length of the distance around the closed figure so what is this the distance around the closed figure this is what perimeter so what you need here you need the answer is what you need perimeter to find out the length of a wire required to fence a rectangular flower bed next is what distance would you cover by taking 2 rounds of a triangular park okay so let this is a triangular park okay so what distance would you need to cover taking 2 rounds of a triangular park so distance you need to cover by taking rounds you will take round means you will run by this edge okay so run in the surrounding okay not inside around okay so run around the distance of the triangular park so first you run like this first round then you take second round so first round in this rounding what you are taking you are going means you are covering the distance around this closed figure so what is this is also a here you need perimeter because you are asking for the surrounding okay so here answer is what answer is perimeter next you see how much plastic do you need to cover a rectangular swimming pool okay so here you have a swimming pool look at here you have a swimming pool rectangular swimming pool okay I am drawing by hand okay so you need to cover it with plastic sheet so you will cover with plastic sheets okay so you are covering the figure whole figure okay so inside figure so what you need here you need the area so that you can find out what the amount of plastic you need to cover the swimming pool so this is about your try this you can do by yourself let's recall what we have studied okay in last class perimeter of regular polygon equal to how much number of sides into length of one side because in regular polygon all the sides are equal so this is what this is a hexagon so the perimeter of hexagon is how much number of side is how much 1 2 3 4 5 6 into length of side means 6 into side if we will say about decagon so if I'll write the decagon perimeter of regular decagon is how much decagon has how much sides 10 side and 10 into side okay 10 into length of one side means 10 into side okay so this is about perimeter of regular polygon next perimeter of square 4 into side perimeter of rectangle 2 hole into length plus breadth then area of rectangle is how much? Length into breadth. Area of square is equal to how much? Side into side. All this we have studied in last class. Let's see. Here some figures are given like A, B, C, D. Same figure A, B, C, D, but here some cut pieces, then A, B, C, D. We have to find out the area, perimeter. Okay, so let's find out the same size, same length and same breadth here given. So we'll see if there is difference. So first we'll find out first figure A, B, C, D. Your length is 5 cm, breadth is 4 cm. So area of A, B, C, D is how much? Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So area equal to 5 into 4 square centimeter, or you can write it as cm square. Like 4 into 5 into 4 equal to 20 cm square. You can write square centimeter equal to how much? Square centimeter like this, cm square. Or you can, but you have to read it as not 20 meters cm square. You will read as 20 square centimeter. Okay. Next we will find out the perimeter. Perimeter of ABCD. So perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 whole into length plus breadth. So 2 whole into 5 plus 4. Okay. So how much it is? cm. 2 into 9 centimeter. 9 into 2 equal to how much? 18 centimeter. Okay, we have found out the area and perimeter of first figure. Next we will move to second figure. Okay, first we will find out area A, B, C, D. So the same, this is 4 cm. Okay, so what you will do? You look. Here this area has been cut. So if you cut this area and this portion, how many figures you are finding? You are finding 1, 2, 3 figures. So this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. So 2 centimeter, then this is how much? 4 centimeter means this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. So we have found out. So now let's find the area of ABCD. Area of ABCD is how much? Area of this closed figure. So we will name them P, Q, R, S. Then here M, N. So area of this whole figure is how much? Area of APQM plus area of NRSD plus area of what will get? PBCS, this area. PBCS. So we have here 3 closed figure. So we have to divide, when this portion is missing, we have to divide it into 3 closed figure. One is this figure, and this figure. So what we are getting? So area of APQM. It is what? 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So 1 into 1 square centimeter plus area of NRSD. So look at here, NRSD. 1 centimeter length, also 1 centimeter breadth. What you like? 1 into 1 centimeter square or square centimeter plus area of PBCS S. Okay. So 5 centimeter, and this is how much? Now this is not 5 centimeter. 1 centimeter has gone. So this area is how much? 4 cm. Okay. So you will write 4 into 4. This area. Now you are finding one is this area, one is this area, one is this area. We have 3 different figures. Okay. So this area, this area, this area. So now we will find out this area. 4 into 4 cm square means BC into CS. 4 into 4 square centimeter. So what we got? We got 1 plus 1 plus 4 4 ja 16 square centimeter. It is how much? 18 square centimeter. So look at here, when we have cut this portion, this area has been now different. Now you can find out the perimeter. Let's see perimeter. So look at here. So perimeter of ABCD is how much? AB plus BC plus CD plus ND plus NR plus RQ plus QM plus AM. Like this you will write. So we will write perimeter of ABCD equal to, we will write the surrounding area. AB plus BC plus CD plus ND plus NR plus QR plus MQ plus AM plus AM, this much, this much. So you will find AB equal to how much? AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter, CD equal to total CD equal to 5 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 plus 5. Next, ND equal to 1, NR equal to 1, plus 1 plus 1. Next we will see RQ equal to 2, QM equal to 1, AM equal to 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1. Put in bracket and write centimeter. Okay, so 5 plus 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 16 to 18, 1, 19 to 20 cm. Okay, so this is how much? 20 cm. So when you will compare these, look at here, when you will compare, here area equal to 20 cm square, but here area equal to 18 centimeter square. So here it has occupied full area, but here we have cut out a portion. This portion M, Q and R portion we have cut out. So here area has been reduced. Let's find about that perimeter. What has happened to perimeter? When we have taken out a portion, here perimeter is 18 centimeter, but here perimeter has increased. Like that you can find out the portion of this area and perimeter of this figure. Okay. So here example 1. This given a door frame of dimension 3.3 meter into 2 meter is fixed. Dimension means length into breadth. Okay. Is fixed on length into breadth means it is showing length and breadth. Okay. Is fixed on a wall of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter. Find that whenever it is written 10 meter into 10 meter means first is length, another is breadth. Okay. So here you will dimension, you will put one thing here, one other thing here. Find the total labor charges for painting wall. If the labor charges for painting 1 meter square of wall is rupees 2.50 or 2 rupees 50 paise. So look at here, you have to paint the wall. Okay, total wall. So wall, painting the wall means wall is how much? Wall is what? Area. Okay. So you are painting a wall. Okay, so you cover all this, but what it is given here, it is dimension is what? 3 meter and 2 meter. Sorry, it is 10 meter and 10 meter. So it is the dimension of the wall. Length is 10 meter, breadth is also 10 meter. A door frame is fixed on the wall. So here I am framing door frame. Okay. So this door frame is how much? One is 3 meter and 2 meter. Okay. 3 meter, 2 meter. So here you need to what? You need to paint the wall. So when you are painting the wall, they are not telling about painting what? Painting the door. Okay, painting the door frame. So you have to exclude this area. So how you will find out this area? You will find out this area, that area of wall minus area of frame, door frame, so that you can find out this area of this portion. So let's find out the solution. So first we will find the area of wall. So area of wall equal to length into breadth. It is how much? 10 meter into 10 meter equal to 10 times 100 square meter. Okay. Next, area of door frame. Area of door frame equal to the same thing, length into breadth. Length into breadth equal to 3 meter into 2 meter equal to 3 to 6 square meter. So how much you will find? So we have to paint the area, means wall, not the door frame. Okay, so area of wall, you have to write that proper term always. Excluding, what you will write? Excluding area of wall, excluding the door frame or excluding the door. Okay, area of excluding door equal to how much? It is 100 minus 6 meter square meter, that is 94 square meter. So charges is how much? Charge is for 1 meter square 2.50 rupees, means 2 rupees 5 paise. So what you will write? Total labor charges equal to area into your rupees. So it is how much? Rupees 235. So this is about finding the cost. Okay, so labor charges you have find 235 rupees. So first you have to found out the wall, including the door. Okay, then area of door frame, then area of wall excluding the door. Okay, then total labor charges. Next, example 2. The area of rectangular sheet is 500 square centimeter if the length of the sheet is 25 centimeter, what is the width? Okay. Also find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. What you will do? First you will find out the width. So area of rectangular sheet is how much? Area equal to length into breadth or width. Okay. So you can write length or width. So width equal to how much? Length or width? Width equal to area by length. So area is how much? 500 square centimeter. So you can write 500 square centimeter by your length is how much? 25 centimeter. Write down 25 centimeter. So what you will get? You will get 20 centimeter. So you have find out the width. Next we will find out perimeter. So you got length, you got width. So perimeter is how much? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 whole length plus breadth or 2 whole length plus breadth. So width is what? Width is breadth. Don't confuse between breadth and width in perimeter. Both are same in perimeter. Okay. Next, look at example 3. Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house on 3 sides with length 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of 150 per meter. So you have to find the fence. Fence the garden means what I have told. So 3 sides. 3 sides means it is a triangle. You have to fence the surrounding. Okay. So fencing means you are covering the surrounding. Okay. So this is what you need? Perimeter. So what you will do? First you find out the perimeter. So perimeter of this triangle is how much? How will you find out the perimeter? You will add the side. This side plus this side plus this side. Means you have to add the 3 sides. 20 meter plus 12 meter then 12 meter. Then after finding perimeter, what you will do? You will multiply the perimeter with the rate. Okay. That is rate is how much? 150 per meter. Okay. Like that you can find out this one by yourself. Next, look at example 4. A wire is in the shape of square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent means reshaped. Okay. Into a rectangle means if you make this square into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, find its breadth, which includes more area, the square or rectangle. Let's see. So what you will do here? First you will find out the square. Okay. So side of square is given. Side of square is how much? 10 centimeter. So you can the wire is surrounding the wire. You have shaped the wire is shaped in a the wire is shaped like a square. So we will find out the length of wire. Length of wire is how much? Length of wire is the perimeter of square. You will write perimeter of square equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 10 cm equal to 40 cm. Next, length of rectangle. Already given length of rectangle. What is the length of rectangle? Length of rectangle equal to 12 cm. It is already given. So we have to find out the breadth of rectangle. So let B be breadth of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is how much? Perimeter of rectangle equal to, if the same length we have made the rectangle with the same wire. So that will be the same length of wire. Wire length is not changed. How much it is? 40 cm. We have found it. Okay. So now that perimeter of rectangle is 40 cm. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle is how much? If we'll write again, the perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 whole L plus B. It is how much? 40 cm. So if we will do L plus B equal to how much? If 2 will go to this side of right side of equal to, then this here 2 into and here become divided by 2 is how much? 20. Then what you will get? Length is how much? Already length is given. It is 12 centimeter. So 12 plus B equal to how much? 20. So B equal to, here 12 is added. Then if you will go to that side, opposite side of equal to, then it will become minus 12. How much? It is 8 cm. Last to write cm. So we have found out the perimeter, means that breadth of rectangle equal to 8 cm. So next find out what? We have find out the breadth. Next, which encloses more area? Which encloses more area? The square or rectangle? So which encloses more area? Square or rectangle? Let's see. Okay. So we have to find out the area. So when you are find out, means next question is given, which encloses more area, square or rectangle? So what we will do? We will find out the area of square and area of rectangle. Here I have found out area of square equal to side into side, that is 10 into 10 cm square, that is 100 centimeter square. And area of rectangle is how much? Length into breadth, that is 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So we have found out, already it is given length 12 centimeter, we have found out breadth 8 centimeter. So 12 into 8 centimeter equal to how much? 96 square centimeter. So look at here, area of square is 100 centimeter, area of rectangle is 96 square centimeter. So which is more? This one is more. So the square encloses more area. Like that you can do, you can find out the, we can do the example 5 by yourself. So this is about your today's class. I hope you will understand. Okay. Thank you.